Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody just having a wonderful and an excellent day and everything is going well and that you're in the best of health. Today I'm just coming with a short video, just give you an update on what's really going on and transpiring here in Dominican Republic. The president has fired people involved in a religious walk where over 1,000 people up in the north, Puerto Plata, did a pilgrimage walk. Puerto Plata. Puerto Plata's now cut off and travel in and out of the town is suspended. Quarantine. Everybody's in quarantine for this mass walk. That means people that's in Puerto Plata can't even get to Sasur, go to the grocery store, anything. They have to stay in the boundaries of this Puerto Plata being cut off. Some have tried to get out, some couldn't get out. They have to stay till I think the next 5 to 7 days. Then there'll be an assessment made to see if they're going to open up just this certain portion of the country, open it back up again. Okay, so it's cut off from the rest of the island right now. At least 2 to 5 days, I would say, to control the spread of COVID-19. To date, which we have 333 people, deaths in the Dominican Republic. And Colombia has surpassed us with 340 deaths. And churches have been prohibited from meeting here in the country, especially Santo Domingo. Okay, because there was an occultic group called themselves meeting. They arrested the leader, took him in, disbanded the group. Okay, it's a lot going on in the country right now, so you definitely want to stay in your boundaries, follow the orders, and do what's required of you by the law. Also, I'm gonna give you an update on the DOP. The Dominican peso to the American dollar is 54.76. So it's actually $1 to, and it's officially 55 pesos. $1 to 55 pesos of your American dollar. That means your money going further. Remember, if you travel here, and this is very important for you that are planning on traveling here anytime in the near future. If you travel here, you'll be required to do a 14-day quarantine in a detention center, which will be set up by the Dominican government. 14-day detention. So you got to put that into your vacation plans. If you only want to stay here 3 weeks, you better push another week out, or a few more days on top of that vacation. Okay, because it's mandatory that you'll be required to be in country. Additional 14 days in quarantine in the building that the Dominican government set up, give you a bed, give you some meals, and set you up in the building, and you'll be locked down in that building with other people, of course, for 14 days before you can leave and enjoy your vacation. Also, I'm noticing I'm seeing YouTubers from certain parts of the country, and they're talking about doing a revolt, violence, because they don't like what's happening in the country. Well, first of all, if you don't like what's happening in this country, you shouldn't have moved here. Okay, you should have stayed right there in that country that you came from and dealt with all those rules and regulations and high taxes. Don't come here starting no trouble for the rest of us. Follow the law of the land and you'll be fine. Stop talking about this violent stuff, because it don't get nobody anywhere. It'll get you locked up and get you shut down and get your channel shut down. So I'm just saying, people need to just realize that we didn't ask for this COVID-19. It's here. We got to deal with it. We got to follow the rules and follow what's required, because the government here in this country is not set up the way it's set up in the United States and other countries. Okay? Well, in America, we have the Democrats and Republicans. Here you have nationalists and revolutionists. Okay? And that's the difference. Nationalists and revolutionists. Two parties in the Dominican Republic. That's their government. And both have seats in the Senate. from both sides. They have seats in the Senate. So I just want to kind of let you guys know that we should obey the authority of the Dominican government, and hopefully, this stuff will be over here shortly. Okay, the weather's getting nice. People want to be outside. Right now, we all still on quarantine. Okay, and the health supervisor is doing an assessment of every city, and we'll see what happens in the next few days. Okay, so basically, I had good news and I had bad news. But good news is, if you're still alive and you're still healthy, you don't have just COVID-19, you're not positive, that's good news. Okay, and all of us can do a little shopping when we can. And the interest rate is good, and people are going to be out of work for a minute until they get a handle on this situation here in Dominican Republic. They also have a fire going on in the landfill in Santo Domingo, getting a lot of people sick, and they got to figure all that out sometime in the near future. So anyway, you got an update from Caribbean E. Great. I hope you're all having a wonderful day and you stay safe. And in the meantime, between the time, always remember, life is to be enjoyed. Hit that subscription notification, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.